Right, did you have any problems doing this exercise? Let me share the screen first. Here, do you have any problems doing this exercise?
No.
Oh, is it easy? I think it's easy, right? I think that we're going to give out the answers on this one. Right, first, let me check. I forgot to check how many of you here. 30 of you. Where's the rest of you? Can you please tell your friends in your line group to join my class, please? We're 5/8. Five, 8, where are you? Okay. All right, let me share the screen first. Here. Number 1, this one is we talking about past. Oops. Past simple, right? And you know the rules of past simple. So number 1, what is it? What? Start with the WH questions, following with, do you know which one? Have you done this exercise? I believe you do so, right? So which one should be the best answer? What were you do last weekend? Is that what it is? Or what is it?
Number 3.
Yes, it's what did, right? You can read the whole sentence. What did you do last weekend? This one, it has to be did, following with the pure verb, okay? That you need to follow. Number 2, the film wasn't very good. The film wasn't very good. I what?
Was not enjoy.
I didn't enjoy, right? I didn't enjoy. Now, which one? You start with didn't. Which one?
Number 4.
It's number 4, right? No ED, right? No ED. Number 3, something, a lot of money yesterday. So what should you say?
Number 2.
Yeah, I spent a lot of money yesterday. Spend, verb 1, right? For the past tense of verb spent is spend. So that's the past tense. Also, an expensive dress. You buy is verb 1, right? So for the past tense of buy is bought. So it is number 3. I spent a lot of money yesterday I bought an expensive dress. Number 4. Which one should you ask? Did you do yesterday? Which one should you ask? What, where, who, or why? Which one is it?
Where did you go?
This one you have to say what.
What did you do?
Yes, what did you do yesterday? Okay, because they didn't want to know the place. They just want to know what you're doing. So what did you do yesterday? Number 5. Get. This one is the main verb, right? It's a main verb. So what should you say for main verb? How?
Did?
Yes, how did your friend get to the airport yesterday? Number 6. Wear something your friends after school yesterday. Oh, this one.
Number 4.
This is number 4. I don't know why the answer is out there. Okay, where did your friends go after school yesterday? Right. Number 7. Number 7.
Number 3.
Yes. Did you see Tom yesterday? Right. Someone told me that they had an error on the answers. The answers say this one is correct, right? But it is not correct. Supposed to be number 3. Okay. Did you see Tom?
Yes, I in the first I answered the right thing, but it's just said that it was did and saw.
So I just
I was confused.
don't worry. Okay. Number 8. My father, and the key word is yesterday. So what do you say?
Number 1.
My father, which one is it? Which one is your choice? My father visited, okay, visited my grandparents yesterday. Okay, you don't say did visit because this one is affirmative sentence. So that's why you say my father visited my grandparents yesterday. Okay. Number 9.
Watch me do my flight.
Number 9. Who, what? Who something Mona Lisa?
Number 4.
Yes, this one. Who painted Mona Lisa? We don't use did. Who, because who is the subject of the sentence. Understand? Who ate my cake? Okay, this someone is the subject, right? This one, they eat the cake, it's the subject, okay? But this one, who did you go with? You is the subject, right? While who is the object? So that's why you have to use did. But this one, who is the subject of the sentence. That's why we don't need did, right? Just who ate my cake? Understand? Okay. Number 10 is also the same. Number 10, who, what is it? This window. Who is act as a subject? So what do you say?
Broke.
Who broke this window? Good. Number 11. Who something your phone last night?
Were.
You phone. Phone is acted as the main verb. You is the subject. You're the one who make a call. So who did you phone last night? Understand? Who for this one is an object. Subject is you. You make a phone call, right? So you want to know who. So who did you phone last night? Okay, it's different. So this one is act as the subject, right? They did the call. They call you. But this one is you doing all the action. You are the subject of the sentence. Understand? That's why who is act as an object. Okay. Do you have any questions so far? Number 12. Number 12. Did you clean the car? What is the answer? Did you clean the car? What should be the best answer? The question start with did, right? You always finish it with did. So we cut these two possible choice out. So there are only two possible choice left. And which one is the best answer between yes, I did or no, I did?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did. Good. Number 13. That was 2 minutes ago. That is the what do you say? It's the
Past.
the boy. Yes, it's the past tense. So what do you use?
Did.
Is present, right? And the boy is a singular noun. Only one boy. So what is it? The boy. Boy
Did in the garden 2 minutes ago.
was in the garden, because if you see the whole sentence, there is no verb, right? There is no verb in the sentence at all. And each of every sentence in English, we require the verb. So if you cannot see the verb, you cannot just put did in there, right? Unless it's act as a main verb, like I did my homework, right? But this one, you have to use verb to be, and it is past simple. So that's why you're using was. The boy was in the garden 2 minutes ago. Okay. Number 14. Number 14. He what?
Number 4.
Number 14. He didn't understand. Good. You cannot use understood, right? Because this one is a pure verb. So this one is wrong, no S, right? No ing or no changing form. Number 15.
Number 4.
Right, very good. Where did you stay? Stay is act as a main verb. So that's why they need verb to do, which is did, to help the sentence. Number 16 is really easy. What did they something in aquarium? What did
C, number 1.
yes, what did they see in the aquarium? Because it's a pure verb. Number 7. Did they play football? Start with this one. This one is the key verb.
Yesterday.
Yes, you cannot use now. You cannot use at the moment, right? Because now or at the moment is talk about present con, right? Present continuous. 4 doesn't make any sense, right? The only choice is yesterday. Number 18, this one a little bit tricky. What is it?
Number 2.
Number 2, yes. Did your brother begin to read the book? Yes, he did. And then he read, right? Read, read, read. Spelled the same, but pronounced differently. So this one, yes, he did. He read nearly half of it. Okay. Okay, number 19. Number 19. Which one is it?
Number 2.
Number 2, yes. Did he like it? I don't know. I didn't ask his opinion about the book, right? This one is wrong. This one is wrong. This one is wrong. So you pretty much just cut out the choice and answer choice 2. That's the most easy things ever. Number 20, a newspaper, but I something. So which one is it?
Number 4.
It has to be this one because you look at this sentence, right? This sentence, there is no verb at all, just a noun, right? And the preposition. So this one you have to use was or were, right? In terms of using was or were, you have to look at the nouns behind the nouns that following it. And a newspaper, it means singular, right? So we have to use there was a newspaper in the kitchen. However, read is already a main verb. And there is the conjunctions of the contractions that says but. Normally we read the newspaper, right? So when they say but, you can expect the opposite things, which is say, but I didn't read it. Okay, so the answer is number 3. There was a newspaper on the table in the kitchen, but I didn't read it. Understand? Now, let me check. Let me check. 5/8, right? Okay. That's 5/8. So it is unit 7. That's simple. You can see number 2, number 3, number 5, 6, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and then 36. What happened to the rest of you? Why didn't you turn it in? Okay, so let me write it down. I think I should write it down. Okay, so number 1, number 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15, 17, 20, 24, 29, and 30. Please submit your work. It is past simple, unit 7. Okay, so look up on the screen. If you see your number, that means I don't receive your work or you didn't do it at all. So please, please, please do. Understand? So I can't really move on to the next lesson unless I want all of you to finish and doing it. So please finish your work. I'm gonna let you off early so these number could finish their work and send it to me today. Understand? Today. All right. Do you have any questions about this exercise that I have already gave out the answers? Any questions, guys? I just wonder those number, this number. Can you get into the link? So I'd like your friends in the class, please help them to get into the link and get them do the work. Okay. So do you have any questions? if you don't have any questions, I will let you go. Okay, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, guys. All right, see you tomorrow, guys. And the rest of you, those, number 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15, 17, 20, 24, 29, 30. Please submit your work. Okay, go and do it now because I already gave out the answer. All right. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
See you.